welcome back to the channel. Welcome everybody. Hope everybody's doing fine. For all my subbies, welcome back, and for my new subscribers, welcome to the family, guys. Good content but here, so I know you're gonna love it, so I know you're gonna stick, guys. Thank you so much always for the support. I can't stress that enough, guys. Thank you for the support. I am being so encouraged, guys, that I got this video just rolling and the ideas. Alright guys, so this is the pigtail in here. I only got 4, so again, alright guys, so I'm about to start frying the chicken. So because my chicken was seasoning overnight, guys, you know that, and it's chicken wing, you know that, well marinated, guys. So all I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna be adding any really seasoning to my flour. All I'm gonna be adding to the flour, guys, is some paprika, and that is it.
Oh, broken dreamer is your mind. All the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes. To the darkness, into the night. Oh, broken dreamer is your mind. All the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now. Let us fire in your eyes. To the darkness, into the night.
Frying, guys, I wanted to show you this, guys. I saw some people on YouTube using this, or other mamas on YouTube that I follow using this, mainly like people from Ghana and so forth. Because them is really follow, because them so similar to their lifestyle, so similar to the Caribbean people lifestyle. So I saw them with this, guys, and guys, I fell in love. This one is a bit different from the ones I see they're actually using, but it's actually the same thing, guys, just different designs. So I fell in love with them and I was like, oh, don't get me to start having them, guys, and I couldn't find it anyway until a girlfriend of mine, because I was telling she about it, and she was like, you know, Kazi have it. So people, for those of you who are in Barbados, there is 2 Kazi. The Kazi that is next to Cherish is not that one. The other one that is down opposite a bed, guys. The one that is opposite a bed. There is who have it, and it's for $15, guys. Very reasonable. Very, very reasonable. So guys, I know I had bought this from the $3 store for $6, guys, but I'm gonna take this and put it in the bathroom. So put the liquid inside of it, because in here, guys, I know this one here is just a lot more work, and I just didn't change. So this is how it comes in the box, and this is it, guys. And it also comes with a little sponge, guys, but I ain't gonna use the sponge right now because I already have a dish sponge right there. But guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. I am trying to see how to open it, guys. Alright, so that is how it's looking in there. This is to put back on here, and you press down this, and then the soap will come out. Guys, you gotta look at it now to see how to put in the okay, guys, so you actually have to screw off right here. It actually comes off this, and then you put the soap inside of it, guys, and it's very easy to clean, because all you gotta do is put warm water inside of it with some vinegar and clean it, guys, when it's dirty, because this part don't come off, this white part don't come off, and then you can clean it the same way, guys. So you can put the, alright, guys, so we do this way quick because my chicken is flipping. So let me get the And guys, I buy this salt liquid, sometimes buy the other one, and this is just $10 in for this container. This is just $10 in popular, guys, so very reasonable. The only thing is a bit liquidy, so I used to add water with it, but I don't anymore because it's already liquidy, guys, and it's $10 straight, and it still has lasted a little while. So guys, I'm gonna actually focus to pour this because I don't want it to show all over, and pull it up. Alright guys, there you go. And now you're going to screw back on this. Guys, it's so easy to screw on and off. And then we're going to place back this, guys, on top of it like so. Alright guys, it's on there, and all you have to do is put the sponge, press, and it comes up, guys. You can see the wet spot right here, it comes up. And let me show you, just wet the sponge, and look guys, see, look at all the lather coming up there. Guys, honestly, this is gonna save you on dishwashing liquid because you're only using how much you want, guys. The exact amount you want is, guys, all you're going to be using. Alright, so guys, I love it. So I'm going to be replacing this. This is going to be going there.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright. They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright.
So this is the chicken wing out of the oven, guys. Barbecue chicken, guys. I'm awaiting the pigtail still, guys, for some reason, I don't know. So this is the wing there. Got the air fryer going, guys. I got some plantain in there right now, and I'm gonna fry some chips soon. So everybody can do their own chips, guys. So all I prepare is just the plantain, and I did coleslaw as well, guys. It's in the fridge, and the meat part. That's all I doing, guys. Everybody individually can't do it in the air fryer. Everybody's fry the chips different, guys. Some like it crispy, some like it don't, some like it seasoned, some like it don't. So I'm confusing myself, guys. It is now 8 o'clock, and your girl hungry and tired. So there's the end for me, guys. So when I plate it all up, guys, I will come back and show you. So until then, love you guys and see you in the next one.